What are we doing?
Speed siphon.
So, speed siphon. So, optimized, try hard siphon, right?
But I need you to grind this because I don't want to look stupid grinding on.
Wait, I don't know how to use this. Somebody show me how to use this thing.
Ow.
Okay, use the...
Like 10 grinders in this house, and you use that one.
Hey, we just installed the Buku 80 mil blind burrs in this
I'm
thing.
gonna go. Do you go on like your normal pour over settings?
Slightly finer.
Slightly finer
Might
first.
have been good
Yeah.
where it was then.
We'll leave it where it was.
Well, because he can always control... Yeah, he can control the variables.
Wait, this coffee?
Yeah, this coffee. Okay, so what coffee is this, Robert?
That's a Lugmapada L1 or Typica Mejorado.
From Ecuador.
Yeah.
From
Look
Enrique Marino.
So, slightly funky, fun.
Yeah,
Anaerobic washed.
Yeah, apparently he doesn't make clean enough coffee anymore.
But the key is that...
You have a feeder for your feeder.
The less I touch on this part, the safer I am.
Oh, God. All right. But these are the new Buku blind.
I don't even season these so much.
They tasted pretty good. We had like one
Seasoning
brew
is
of it.
thick, right? We gotta go.
All right. Well, we got the coffee ground. So,
I really shouldn't do this in front of a fan.
yeah, we're gonna lose,
Thermal loss.
yeah, thermal loss. Okay, so, how does siphons work?
This is probably abaca that I cut for it.
Oh shit, that's.
Yeah, that's
And you have to
probably
cut-
the
That's
key.
the
I
technology
had to
right there.
Poke a hole in the middle too.
So they make ones where it's screwed. I think you're supposed to put like something else in it, but you can make pre-cut filters.
Where's your other cash flow?
Please don't be hot. Okay.
So we get stronger filtration
Yeah,
and speed potentially.
that is the hope.
Why do you use this brewer? I've never seen you use this thing.
I was inspired by Brian Kwan's video of the cup Timo some years back.
Optimal or the siphonista?
I didn't watch
Oh,
that
the
video.
siphonista video never came out, unfortunately.
Oh, I don't know about that technology. Grounds? Oh, there. Thank you.
Yep, so he's
Maybe
got
it's
the ground.
distribution, I don't
So
know.
what's your dose on this?
This is at 20.
Damn.
Pretty big.
Yeah, there exists a smaller siphon, but it doesn't fit to clear this thing. And the point of using this thing is that it's consistent, rather than like the
Butane.
yeah.
Yeah.
So this is electric.
That's halogen.
Yeah, but
This
powered.
This is what's in a stronghold.
Okay, slight preheat, and then I think I don't have the thermal probe. Oh, I should really measure this.
Yeah, what's your temperature?
No, he needs to measure how much water.
Oh,
How much
right.
water is going into here.
So that's already
that-
more advanced than what a lot of people
Is that
do,
what the
right?
Japanese people do? They measure.
I've never had one in Japan.
Me
I,
neither.
yeah, I don't know.
You know what?
I
I've
haven't.
never had siphon.
I haven't had siphon coffee in years.
I've never had it.
I
And
have opinions.
honestly, I think siphon coffee is just immersion.
I think it's immersion, but worse. Like, you should just use an AeroPress.
Like it's high efficiency extraction because you are using the vacuum, right? Which means you can lighten the load elsewhere. Let's do.
But also, it's wildly inconsistent in a lot of areas because your temperature is whack, in my opinion, at least.
Yeah.
But it's aesthetic. It's pretty. It's theatrics.
Formative.
Hell, I don't care.
It's performative.
artisanal.
Hell, I don't care. When I use the probes, when it all goes up, it's around 88, 87, depending on your seasonality and ambience.
It's pretty good. It's actually.
What I want to do after this is to chill the crap out of it really fast.
Why?
Because thermal mass.
Mm.
Don't break, please.
The scariest part of putting a metal ball in your glass.
Because this part takes hella long.
The getting the water up.
Yeah. I don't know how you make a business out of this waiting thing.
And instead of just pouring your water right on top of your grounds
Would
already.
have thought. It's a bottoms-up approach.
Well, there is a cafe that ran on all siphons in LA at one point, and then they closed after COVID.
Oh,
I mean, like Starbucks used to do this.
Immersion,
Like,
right?
it's really pretty, right? People like this.
People love this.
It looks it's because it's like
It's different.
theatrics, right? Pour over is kind of performative, but this is the next level.
I need a stopwatch.
You don't even have the wooden spoon that people usually use. You're using that. It's too advanced.
That's yeah, because he actually wants to make the coffee taste good, Harry.
I don't want it to be woody.
Yeah, you don't want to use wood.
I do have the titanium rice paddle somewhere.
Oh, that
Will
would
that fit?
It won't fit that
yeah.
stem. Some cavitation, I think, is happening. Oh, I do have one of these.
It's right next to you.
Yeah, you have the temperature. Yeah, you
But
brought
its battery is dead because
Oh,
I
yeah,
don't
I wanted
steam
to borrow
it.
that in the decent picture.
Take-
You're supposed to wait for the right temperature too.
So what temperature are you aiming for?
I'll take 90 for brevity's sake.
Oh, so you also need to heat your water this way, which is really annoying. Because it gets to like 80 whatever, and you're still heating it up, but it's not like directly heated by this.
Yeah.
It does make really cool noises.
I don't think you'll hear it in a shot, like this fan. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. I guess I'll do myself.
Roberts. I haven't had him make siphon for me yet.
I'm gonna stir the crap out of it for like 15 seconds. And at this point, I'm gonna cut the heat into half because we don't need that much anymore. And then at around 25, I'll cut it.
How do I get natural decline?
This is where the tech.
Whoa.
Okay, watch
Oh,
out.
look at that clear, there's clear water right here. It never got to the grounds.
Woo! Okay, this is some actually advanced technology right here. Okay, why?
Rapid cooling.
So you cut your brew shorter.
Yeah.
Because the siphon needs to trigger. Oh, that's scary.
That's normal.
Then rapid chill. Rapid chill.
Wow.
Wow. So this is the amount of effort you have to do to extract light roast out of the siphon, right? Well, you're getting, I guess,
Total brew time,
double.
a minute?
That was a
Yeah,
minute.
a minute. So you're getting double filtration, right? You have a paper filter, you have filtration through the bed. I guess, like,
Don't you always?
yeah, sure. Well, not necessarily.
I don't know what that is.
Exactly.
Yeah, but I mean, is there any advantage going this way versus this way? This way versus this way? What do we think?
No.
Like, we
Depends
could
on
have just
the
went
hemisphere.
this way, and you could have just stirred it, and then you push down. But then I guess this one, you don't have to push. It does it for you.
Yeah.
You just have to do everything.
Cleanup is annoying.
Yeah. You get to boom.
Yeah, exactly.
And this thing's like,
It's all glass.
yeah, but it's hot.
It's ready.
Are you ready? Harry, you gonna try?
What grinder you guys use?
Buku.
I'm scared of this ball dropping out.
I got freezer. I got
Siphon coffee.
I've never had
So, why do this at all?
Playing with it before I get rid of it.
But like you're cooling it down much faster, so then you can speed up everything.
Oh, it tastes just like an immersion brew.
Here, let's taste it.
Tastes just like an AeroPress, to be honest.
All right, let's taste it. Yeah, I don't know why I wouldn't just do this on an AeroPress. This is so much work.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
That's terrible.
It's not even that.
Like you have to. Why would you do this to
Why would
yourself?
someone choose this?
There's a lot of oils on the side too.
And you have the paper. Like the paper filter basically does nothing here.
Well, I mean,
You don't even get a dry puck.
Yeah, don't recommend.
But there's the advanced tech for anyone wondering. So I guess like I will say for this brew method, there is some level of clarity, and I think you're getting that because we're cooling things down and you're able to actually extract some of this.
We're nearly deleting all the characteristics of the siphon and trying to make it behave like those.
So much work.
So what's the point?
Well, maybe just use this for dark roast and coal.
I don't know what that is.
Okay, well there it is. There's your try-hard siphon technology for anyone wondering.
Not recommended.
Yeah, we definitely don't really recommend this. It makes okay coffee, but it was like not worth the effort. It's very pretty though, and I guess it's useful if you're trying to make a largish batch of coffee. Not really a largish
No,
batch.
you're limited by this. This is like 300 tops.
Yeah,
350?
so bigger than a 10-gram brew, but it tastes fine. But yeah, I'm very lukewarm on this. Tastes great. We love AeroPress. Just do
Wait,
that
no, I don't
instead.
like AeroPress. No, I do not like AeroPress.
Okay, we like other forms of immersion.
Oh, I guess you could use this instead now.
Oh yeah. Just use this one now. That one's better. I don't really see a reason to use the siphon at all. Also, these are expensive. Like this is much more expensive than the
Yeah,
OXO.
it's like 30.
Yeah, just get an OXO now.
It's not the same time.
Yeah, this is a timeless piece of technology. This is a timeless piece of technology. All right, well that's it. We gave you your entertainment. Siphon, don't recommend. It's pretty, I guess, but very lukewarm on the taste of the coffee, considering there are other things that exist now. So there you go. Bye.